API security and tool configuration systems. Think of authentication and authorization as two critical security checkpoints working together. Authentication is your ID card. It verifies you are by confirming your identity through passwords, fingerprints, or other credentials. Once you've proven who you are, authorization then determines what you're allowed to do, like which files you can access or which features you can use. So authentication gets you in the door, but authorization decides which rooms you can enter once you're inside. Think of rate limiting like a security guard at a concert entrance. Instead of letting everyone rush in at once, they control the flow of people moving through the door. By regulating how many requests can reach your system at any given moment, you're protecting your servers from being overwhelmed by excessive traffic or coordinated attacks. This simple but powerful technique prevents bad actors from abusing your service, while ensuring that legitimate users can still access what they need. It's one of the most effective ways to keep your application running smoothly and securely. API keys are like digital passwords that give applications permission to access services, so keeping them secure is absolutely critical. Never make the mistake of hard-coding your keys directly into your source code. This is a major security vulnerability that exposes your credentials to anyone who can view your code. Instead, use environment variables or dedicated secret management tools to store your keys safely outside of your codebase. By rotating your keys regularly and managing them properly, you'll protect your application from unauthorized access and potential breaches. When you log into an app using your Google or Facebook account, you're actually using Auth2, and here's how it works behind the scenes. Instead of giving the app your password, which would be risky, you're delegated limited permissions through an authorization server, which acts as a trusted middleman. The app requests access, you approve it, and the server issues a special token that lets the app access only what you've allowed, without ever touching your actual credentials. This way, you maintain control and security while giving third-party applications just enough permission to do their job. Once your code passes through the secure pipeline, from development and build through testing and deployment, it reaches critical infrastructure gateways that act as your security guardians. These gateways use the principle of least privilege, which means you're giving each tool and service only the minimum permissions it absolutely needs to do its job, nothing more. Think of it like giving a valet key that only starts your car but can't unlock the trunk or glove compartment. You're controlling exactly what access each component receives. By implementing these granular access controls at your gateways, you create multiple security checkpoints that significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access or lateral movement if something does go wrong. Sensible processes and clear logic speak for themselves. If you want more content built on these principles, subscribing and liking the video is the most direct way to support us. Thank you, and see you next time.